mentioned before during the course of the campaign. My mother passed away from ovarian cancer a little over a decade ago.
So one of the winners, Sri Bose, discovered a promising new way to improve treatment for ovarian cancer at the age of 17.
In addition to family planning, doctors often prescribe contraception as a way to reduce the risks of ovarian and other cancers and treat a variety of different ailments.
And because her new plan covered a CAT scan she wouldn't have otherwise been able to afford, her doctor discovered that she also had ovarian cancer and gave her a chance to beat it.